Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best car ramps that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the Race Ramps RR40 Race Ramp. These lightweight ramps are specially designed so they don't scruff up the garage floor. They feature a 16.7 degree angle of approach and are intended for sports cars such as Miatas, BMWs and Jaguars. They're also ideal for vehicles that have short front ends. The race ramps can accommodate vehicles up to 1,500 pounds per ramp with a maximum tire width of 8 inches. These ramps are made of a heavy foam-like material and provide a good amount of clearance. They are large but light and easy to maneuver. With a large surface, they grip the ground securely, preventing slippage when moving a vehicle forward or backing it down. Second on the list is the BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set. Use this set of ramps to perform maintenance on your car such as belt replacements and oil changes. It is a sturdy set made of heavy-duty plastic and can also handle vans, SUVs and pickup trucks. Each ramp in the set can hold up to 4,000 pounds, 1,814 kg of weight and lifts the vehicle 6.3 inches, 16 centimeters off the ground, enough clearance for you, your tools and supplies, and enough room to work. Each ramp is 11.5 inches, 29.5 centimeters wide to fit extra wide wheels. Third up is the Black Widow PSR 295 Plastic Car Service Ramps. This set of black plastic ramps are meant for use under your vehicle while you work on the underside. They'll lift your car or truck 6.25 inches off the ground. Each ramp measures 35.5 by 12 by 8.5 inches. You can use them with a vehicle that weighs up to 16,000 pounds. The ramps have a gentle slope and a tire stopper at the end of the flat platform. The ramps and platform on these ramps are nice because they have detailing to give them texture, which aids your tires in getting traction. Fourth on the list is the 66-inch low-profile sports car lift service ramps. Sports cars are a challenge because they're low to the ground and don't fit on normal ramps because the incline is too steep. These low-profile ramps are the solution. The incline is a gentle 11.5 degrees and measures 66 inches long. Once on the ramps, your car will be lifted 7 inches off the ground. This set of 2 lifts are each 14 inches wide on the ramp and 16 inches wide on the platform. There is also an integrated wheel stop. They have a weight capacity of 3,000 pounds. To end with is the Ramps Low-Profile Plastic Car Service Ramps. This is another option for lower profile cars. This set of 2 ramps have a low incline of 9.05 degrees. These ramps are made of heavy-duty plastic and feature a honeycomb design on the ramp and platform. This gives them stability and helps to prevent the buildup of moisture. Each ramp measures 27.5 inches length by 7 3/4 inches width by 2.5 inches height, and they have a maximum weight capacity of 4,400 pounds. These ramps are ideal for low-profile cars. The gentle incline ensures your car won't get damaged while using them. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.